Let's learn about the debit side and the credit side in accounting. I know this might sound confusing, but don't worry. We are going to break it down step by step, so it's super easy to understand. Let's start with something simple. Think of accounts as different boxes. Every transaction will either add to the box or take something out of the box. To keep things organized, we use two sides, the debit side on the left and the credit side on the right. Now, here's the golden rule. If you are dealing with assets, drawings, or expenses, you use the debit side to show an increase. But if you are working with liabilities, capital, or income, you use the credit side to show an increase. Let's look at an example. You buy a computer for 5,000 Rand. Remember, a computer is an asset and assets increase on the debit side. So we debit the equipment account by 5,000 Rand. But wait, where did the money come from? It came out of the bank account. The bank is also an asset, but this time it decreases. To show a decrease, we use the credit side. Here's another example. Your business earns 2,000 Rand from selling goods. Income increases on the credit side, so we credit the sales account by 2,000 Rand. At the same time, the bank account, which is an asset, increases because you received cash. Assets increase on the debit side, so we debit the bank accounts. So remember, use the debit side to increase assets, drawings, and expenses. Use the credit side to increase liabilities, capital, and income. And every time you debit one account, you must credit another to keep things balanced. Here's a quick challenge. If you pay 1,000 Rand for rent, the rent expense increases, so you debit rent expense. The bank decreases, so you credit bank. Try drawing the T accounts on your own and see if you get it right. Here's the correct answer. Great job, everyone. Now you know when to use the debit side and when to use the credit side. Practice a few examples and soon you will be a pro at keeping accounts balanced. Remember, debit, this is on the left for assets, drawings, and expenses. Credit, this is on the right for liabilities, capital, and income.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.